Hi students, this is our second video on the topic problems on distance and displacement. So in this video we are going to solve two more problems. So the problem is a boy moves along the boundary of a square ground of side 25 meter with constant speed. He completed one round in 100 seconds. Find distance and displacement in 150 seconds. So, as per this problem, a boy moves along the boundary of a square ground. So, this is the square ground. As we know, all sides of squares are equal. So, this is the square ground ABCD. Okay. Then, off side 25 meter means every side is 25 meter, 25 meter, 25 meter and 25 meter. Okay. With constant speed. He is moving with constant speed. He completed one round in 100 seconds. Okay, with constant speed, he completed one round in 100 seconds. Then find distance and displacement in 150 seconds. Where to find distance and then displacement in 150 seconds. Okay. So let's see the problem. Finding distance. As we know, distance is the actual path traveled by the boy or body. In this case, boy is moving. So the distance is equal to, as we know, in 100 seconds the boy moves one round. Okay. So what is the distance covered in one round? It is 100. So in 100 seconds, 100 meter distance will be covered by the boy. And in 150 seconds, so in another 50 seconds, the boy will move another 50 meters. So the total distance covered by the boy will be 150 meter. So the distance covered by the boy is 150 meter. Now, what is the displacement in 150 seconds? So in 100 meter, let the boy the starting point is A. So after one complete round, the boy will be here, and in 150 seconds, so after 100 seconds, the boy will be here, and after another 50 seconds, the boy will be here. Okay. Now what is displacement? As we know, displacement is the shortest path. So this is the shortest path. Okay, between initial and final position. So this is the initial position of the boy and this is final position of the boy. So what is displacement? So displacement is AC. Now, as we know, this is the right angle. As it is a square, this is right angle, and this side is 25 meter and this side is 25 meter. So as per Pythagoras theorem, this is hypotenuse. So as per Pythagoras theorem, okay, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now putting values in this equation, so AC square is equal to 25 square plus 25 square, as AB is equal to 25 and BC is equal to 25. So AC square is equal to, so AC is equal to under root 25 square plus 25 square. Now, so AC is equal to 2 into 25 square. So what is AC? So square root of 25 square is 25. So 25 root 2. As the value of root 2 is given 1.412. So put in the value of this root 2. So 25 into 1.412. So after multiplying 25 2s are 50, carry 5, 25 1s are 25, 30, carry 3, 25 4s are 100, 103, carry 10, and then 35. Okay. So it is 35.300. So it is 35.3 meter. So this is the displacement of the boy. Okay. Let us see another problem of this topic. And in this problem, the length of minute hand of a clock is 7 centimeter. So find the distance and displacement of the tip of minute hand after 15 minutes, and the value of under root 2 is given 1.412. So length of minute hand of a clock is 7 centimeter. So this is the minute hand of a clock and the length is 7 centimeter. Okay. So find the distance and displacement of tip of the minute hand. This is the tip of minute hand A. Minute hand. Let A is the tip of this minute hand. Find the distance and displacement of this tip after 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, as it is a minute hand, its position will be here. Okay. Now the length of minute hand will remain constant, but after 15 minutes, this minute hand, the position of this minute hand will be here. So this is the path traveled by the tip of the minute hand. So this position A is now here. Now this is the distance of the tip of the minute hand traveled in 15 minutes, and as we know, what is displacement? Again, the displacement is shortest path from initial and final position. So this is initial position and this is final position. So this is the displacement, and this curve is equal to distance traveled by the tip of the minute hand. So let us find what is the value of distance and this displacement. So this is distance in dotted line, and this straight line is the displacement of the minute hand. Okay, let us see what is the distance. As we know, in 15 minutes, so this is the 1/4 of the total circumference of the circle. So this distance is 1/4 of the total circumference of the circle. So distance is equal to now what is circumference? Circumference is 2 pi r, but the circumference is 2 pi r, but this is the 1/4 of 2 pi r, so into 1/4. Okay. Now putting the values, so 2 2s are 4. What is the value of pi? It is 22/7 into what is the value of r? So radius of this circle is equal to length of the minute hand. So what is the value of r? It is 7 into 1/2. So 2 11s are, so 11 centimeter, as r is given in centimeter. So what is the distance? Distance is 11 centimeter. Now let us find what is the displacement in this case. So this is the displacement and this is right angle triangle. So what is displacement? This is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So displacement is equal to this is B point, consider, and this is O. So displacement is equal to AO square plus OB square, means 7 square plus 7 square. What is displacement? AB square. Displacement square. So what is displacement? Displacement square is AO square plus OB square. So AB square is equal to 7 square, taking square root, 7 square plus 7 square. So AB is equal to 2 into 7 square. So AB is equal to 7 square means square root of 7 square is 7 under root 2. Now putting values of under root 2. So AB will be equal to 7 into what is the value of under root 2? It is given 1.412. 1.412. So what is AB? 7 2s are 14, carry 1, 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8, 7 4s are 28, carry 2 9. So AB is equal to 9.88 centimeter. So this is the displacement of the tip of the minute hand. Okay. Hi students, let us see one more problem, and this is the last problem of this video. So length of a simple pendulum is 42 centimeter. If it is released from extreme point A, after moving to point B, it returns back to its initial position. So find distance and displacement of the bob. Now what is this bob? So this is the simple pendulum and this is the bob. Now what is distance and displacement of the bob? Now let us find distance return back to its initial position. Find distance traveled by the bob. Distance traveled by the bob and displacement of bob. Now as per given in this figure, so this is 30 plus 30 means this angle is 60 degree. So this bob returned back to its original position means 60 plus 60 means total angular displacement is 60 plus 60, that is 120 degree. Okay. So this is the path traveled by the bob. What is the length of this path? As we know that this is the arc of a circle and the total angle of the circle is 360. So this is angle 60 means it is the 1/6 of the total angle. So what is the length of this arc? Now distance traveled by bob is equal to 2 into length of arc. 2 into length of arc. Why it is 2 into length of arc? Because this is the length of arc and from this position the bob again returned back to its original position. That's why it is 2 into length of the arc. Now what is length of arc? 2 into, as it is 360 and this is 60, so it is the 1/6 of the total circumference of the circle, or you can write as 2 pi r is the length of the arc and 60 upon 360. Okay. Putting these values, 2 3s are 6 means that is equal to 1 upon 3 into 2 into pi 22 by 7 r is the radius, so it is 42. Okay, then 7 6 are 42 and 3 2s are 6 means 44 into 2. So 44 into 2, that is 88, and as the radius is given in centimeter, it is 88 centimeter. Okay, so this is the distance traveled by the bob. Now, what is the displacement? What is the displacement of the bob? Now, as given in the problem, the bob returned back to its original position, and we know that displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final position. So in this case, the initial and final position is same, therefore distance is 88 centimeter and displacement is what? It is 0. So this is the answer of this problem. Okay, so